Hello kids, I hope that you all are doing great. So in this session we are going to continue with the exercise portion as well. But before jumping to the exercise portion, આપણે લોકો જે previous session માં learn કર્યું છે એનું એક વખત recap કરી લઈએ. Okay. So what we learned in the previous session? In the previous session we learned about nouns. Yes, what are nouns? Nouns are the naming words which give a name to any person, place, animal or thing. Right. In nouns, we learned about two types of nouns. That are common nouns and proper nouns. What are common nouns? Yes, common nouns are the nouns that give a common name to a person, place, animal or thing. Common nouns are those nouns which give a common name. એટલે કે એ લોકો કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ હોય, કોઈ પણ animal, person, place, thing, whatever it can be, they give a common name, and those type of nouns would be under the category of common nouns. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the nouns that give a particular name. Proper nouns એવા nouns છે કે જે કોઈ particular name આપે છે. Right? કોઈ પણ person, place, animal, thing હોય, એ કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ હોય, બધી વસ્તુનું name હોય. Everything has its name. Right? So proper nouns are the nouns that give a particular name to any person, place, animal or thing. Right? Now, let's see the examples of it. Okay. If in common nouns we are taking flowers, right? So in proper nouns we will be taking lily, rose, dandelion, etc. Flowers is a common name given to any flower. Like if we are talking of flowers, it can be any flower. Right? We are not pointing it out particularly that we are talking of this flower. No, we are talking of flowers in common. Right? So it can be any flower. But while we are talking in proper nouns, if we continue the same example, આપણે flowers ને જ proper name નામ આપવું છે, તો we would be focusing on lily, rose, dandelion, etc. Like now we give that flower a name. Right? Every flower has its name, like every person has its name. Right? So we gave those flowers a name. Those flowers are having its own name. Right? So if you're talking about rose, then rose is a proper noun. But if we are talking of flowers, then flowers are common nouns. Right? So this was just a quick recap about what we learned in the previous session. Now we are going to move forward with the exercise portion. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so students, we are going to start with the reading portion. In reading portion, what you are supposed to do is read and answer. So now we are going to start. Number 1, choose the correct answer. A. Hattie Hat does not like to dash. There are 3 options given for the same question. What you are supposed to do is, શું કહે છે question that Hattie Hat does not like to. Hattie Hat ને શું કરવું નહોતું ગમતું. That is the question. So, did she like to go out? No, she didn't like to go out. Right. So, the correct answer is number 2 given over there, second option given over there, go out. So, in that blank, in your textbook, you are supposed to write go out. Next, choose the correct option is number B. The owner of Hattie Hat is dash. Okay, so hat belonged to whom? કોને belong કરતી હતી hat? Miss Beautiful? There was no such word like Miss Beautiful. Miss Wonderful? No. Okay, yes, so the correct answer is Miss Lovely because the Hattie Hat belonged to Miss Lovely. Hattie Hat Miss Lovely ni hati. So, the correct answer in the blank you are supposed to write is Miss Lovely. Yes. Number C, who loves telling stories to children? Number C, who loves telling stories to children? Hattie Hat, Miss Lovely's friends. Okay, Miss Lovely was telling stories to children. So the correct answer would be Miss Lovely. Number D. Wow, what a beautiful hat. Okay, the children say this because children આવું શું કામ કીધું કે wow, what a beautiful hat is this. Okay, આવું શું કામ કીધું children because they thought that Hattie hat is really beautiful, right? So the correct answer is Hattie hat is very beautiful. So you are supposed to write the same option in the given blank. Number E. From now on, I will never allow you to be outside the house again. Who says this? Okay. From now on, I will never allow you to be outside the house again. જ્યારે કિડ્સ હતા એ હેટી હેટને સન અને રેનમાં લઈ ગયા પછી હેટી હેટ આખી વેટ થઈ ગઈ એન્ડ ઇટ હેપન્ડ એન્ડ शी वॉज ऑल टायर्ड અને પછી જ્યારે કિડ્સ ઘરે લઈને આવ્યા ચિલ્ડ્રન ઘરે લઈને આવ્યા મિસ લવલી પાસે હેટને રાઈટ તો કોણે આવું કીધું હતું કે આઈ વિલ નેવર અલાવ યુ ટુ બી આઉટસાઇડ અગેન એવું કોણ કહે છે that you have to choose. Hattie hat is saying, Miss Lovely is saying, or the children? Yes, Miss Lovely is saying this because any hat hati and she told, oh, my beautiful hat is all wet. From now on, I will never allow you to be outside the house again. અને પછી Hattie hat એવો પણ રિપ્લાય આપ્યો હતો that yes, I'm so happy to stay indoors. So this statement is said by Miss Lovely. So you are supposed to tick in the correct option, that is Miss Lovely.
Okay, so the next thing that we are going to start is vocabulary portion. Right, what is vocabulary for? કે જે તમે ન્યૂ વર્ડ્સ લર્ન કર્યા હોય એમાંથી તમને કંઈક બીજા લાઈક યુ ગેટ યોર vocabulary strong. You make your vocabulary strong with the help of vocabulary words. જે ન્યૂ વર્ડ્સ હોય જે હાર્ડ વર્ડ્સ હોય એની હેલ્પથી જ્યારે તમે તમારી vocabulary strong બનાવો છો તો that helps you speaking in English with a fluent tone, right? So for that we are going to start our vocabulary portion which is given on page number 13, and what is it about that we are going to see. Find the hidden words. What has been done for you? તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં એક તમારા માટે ઓલરેડી કરેલું છે, right? So now we are going to understand the rest. Okay, breakfast. What is breakfast? What do you mean by breakfast? A meal which you have in the morning when you wake up, it is called as breakfast. જે meal એટલે કે જે ખાવાનું જે નાસ્તો તમે સવારે ઉઠીને કરો છો, that is called as breakfast. Now from this breakfast આપણે લોકો શું કરવાના છે? We are going to separate two words. એક વર્ડમાંથી આપણે બે વર્ડ સ્પ્લિટ કરવાના છે અને એ બંને વર્ડના પણ મીનિંગ સમજવાના છે. So you are learning two new words from a single word. એક જ વર્ડમાંથી તમે બીજા ન્યૂ વર્ડ્સ લર્ન કરો છો કેટલા? two, right? So અહીંયા અંડરલાઈન કરવાનું break fast and write it down over here. That is break fast, right? So breakfast is a meal that you have in the morning, right? And break and fast also has two different meanings. What is break? જ્યારે તમે બહુ સ્પીડમાં જાઓ છો, જ્યારે તમે બહુ ફાસ્ટ જાઓ છો અને આગળ સ્પીડ બ્રેકર છે. So what will you do? You put on your brakes, right? So that is break. और કઈ પણ વસ્તુ તોડવી, right? Split કરવી. That is also called as break. And what is fast? Fast means કે તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ તમારી બહુ સ્પીડમાં કરો છો, ફાસ્ટ કરો છો, જલ્દી કરો છો, તો that is the meaning of fast. So from the single word break, you learn two different words, that is break and fast. Okay, so total you are learning three new meanings of new words. Correct. Let's move to the next one. Classroom. What is classroom? Classroom is a place in school or college કે જ્યાં lectures લેવાય છે, જ્યાં તમે લોકોને lessons learn કરાવે છે દીદીસ, right? So that is called as classroom. A class wherein lessons are taught, that is called as classroom. When I separate કરશું આપણે class and room, and we are going to write it down over here. These both words also has their own meanings. Class એટલે કે તમે લોકો લેસન્સ જે લર્ન કરો છો I was studying in English class, I was studying in 3rd grade class. તો એ શું થયું કે તમે ઇંગ્લિશના ક્લાસમાં છો, તમે ENV ના ક્લાસમાં છો, રાઈટ? સો different subject classes are there, so that is called as class. And a room means a place which is bounded by 4 different walls. એવી એક જગ્યા કે જે બંધ છે 4 દીવાલથી, that is called as a room, right? So you learned classroom, you learned different meaning of class as well as room. So this helps your vocabulary increases, right? Your vocabulary increases with the help of these new words. Let's move to the next one. Cupboard. What is cupboard? Yes, it's a piece of furniture in which there are shelves. એમાં shelf હોય છે, એક piece of furniture કે જેની અંદર shelf હોય છે, and it helps you to keep your clothes or any kind of other things. એવું એક piece of furniture કે જેની અંદર shelf હોય છે, એટલે કે parts હોય છે કે જેની ઉપર જેની અંદર તમે તમારી વસ્તુઓ રાખી શકો. That kind of thing is called as cupboard. Now separate cup and board. Cup, board. Right. Cup is the thing in which you drink your any kind of thing. Right. તમે કપમાં રાખીને કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ પી શકો છો. For example, tea. Right. So that is cup. And board, you can already see over here we have white board, black board, green board, soft board, right? So these are the kind of boards. So from cupboard you learn 2 different meanings with 2 different words, right? Next word is sugarcane. Okay, it is a tropical plant. એક એવું plant છે, tropical plant છે કે જેમાંથી ખાંડ બને છે, right? Sugarcane માંથી ખાંડ બને છે, and sugarcane એટલે શેરડી. It is a tropical plant. So sugar and cane separated. Sugar cane. Yes. So sugar એટલે ખાંડ, sugarcane એટલે શેરડી કે જેમાંથી ખાંડ બને છે, and cane means it has other meaning also. Cane means it is used to keep things in it. Any other cane ની અંદર things પણ તમે લોકો રાખી શકો છો, right? So you got 3 different meanings of it also, right? Now let's move to the next one. Which is the next thing? Sunshade. Okay, sunshade ના પણ 2 meanings છે. એક umbrella જેવું thing હોય છે કે જે તમને તડકો ન લાગે એના માટે યુઝ થાય. Okay, and when you go outside in the sun, જ્યારે તમે બહાર જાઓ છો તડકામાં, ત્યારે you wear glasses, right? Those are also called as sunshades. So sun shade. Sun means you already know, and shade એટલે છાયો, જે છાયો આપવા માટે જે તમે લોકો જે છાયો લેવા માટે તડકો ન લાગે, that means તડકાથી પ્રોટેક્ટ કરવા માટે જે તમે શેડ્સ પહેરો છો, તો એ શું કરે છે, તમારી આંખમાં તડકો જાતો નથી, રાઈટ? પછી અમ્બ્રેલા છે તો તમારા હેડ પર તડકો સીધો ડાયરેક્ટ એની સનલાઇટ આવતી નથી, રાઈટ? સો sun means you already know, and shade means કોઈ પણ વસ્તુને છાયો આપો છો, તો that is shade. So from sunshade you learn sun and shade. Now let's move to the next one. Teacup. Teacup. Okay, it is a cup in which you drink tea. Tea drink કરવા માટેનો જે કપ હોય છે, that is called as teacup. So બે different meaning થયા. Tea એટલે કે ચા, and cup, that is a thing in which you drink any kind of liquid. તો અહીંયા tea cup કીધું છે, તો that means કે તમે એમાં ચા પીઓ, like a thing cup used for drinking tea is called as teacup, right? So these were the vocabulary words કે જેના થ્રુ તમે તમારી vocabulary increase કરી. એક word માંથી we learned 2 different words and separate કર્યા and write down કર્યા, right? So I would be sending you the photo of this so that you can write it down in your textbook જ્યારે બી તમારી પાસે તમારી textbook available હોય. Let's have a recap of this again. Breakfast is already done in your textbook, પણ તોય આપણે લોકો એક વખત recap કરી લઈએ. Breakfast, it is a meal that you have in the morning as soon as you wake up. Classroom, It is a room where in school or colleges lectures are taught, lessons are taught. Cupboard. It is a kind of piece of furniture with shelves in it to keep your things or your clothes. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a tropical plant. A tropical plant છે which is જેમાંથી sugar બને છે. That is sugarcane. Sunshade. Okay, sunshade એક એવી વસ્તુ છે. It is an umbrella also. અને એનું જે shades તમે જે glasses પહેરો છો to get protection from the sun, that is also called as sunshade. Teacup. It is a cup in which you drink tea. So I hope that these words are clear to you. Right. So now we will be doing the next exercises in the same way. Okay. So now the next question that we are going to start is vocabulary, page number 30. Question number 2, that is match the following to form new words. By matching these words, we would be forming new words. Right, vocabulary is all about forming and learning the meanings of new words. So we would be doing the same. Now what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to match column A with column B. So you would get a totally new word and we would learn the meanings of the same. Right. So you are supposed to do this question with the help of a ruler. એટલે કે તમારે સ્કેલ થી જ આ વસ્તુ કરવાની છે. સ્કેલ થી જ મેચ કરવાનું છે because it looks neat, clean. We do it with the help of scale. What the first word is? Sun. So, do you think that sun is going on with book? Sun and book does not make any sense. Sun spoon, it does not make any sense. Sun pane, it does not make any sense. Sunglasses, yes, it makes sense. Right. Sunglasses. What are sunglasses? જ્યારે તમે સનના તડકાથી બચવા માંગો છો તો you wear sunglasses. Right. So you are supposed to match sun with glasses with the help of scale. Let's move to the next word. Milk. Book does not make any sense. Milk and spoon does not make any sense. Milk and paint does not make any sense. Milk and cream, because glasses આપણે એક વખત like we have already made a word out of it, we formed a word out of it, so glasses આપણે use કરશું નહીં. So milk and cream, no, it does not make sense too. Milk and shake, yes, it does make sense. Right, એનો કંઈક meaning થઈ શકે છે. How come? Firstly, આપણે milk ને shake સાથે match કરી દઈશું. Yes, what is milk shake? A shake, a thick shake which is made up out of milk, જેમાં milk use કરીને તમે જે shake બનાવો છો, that is called as milk shake. So that is a new word. Now let's move on to the next one, that is ice. Ice book does not make sense. Ice spoon, no. Ice and paint does not make any sense. Ice and cream, yes, it does make sense. Everyone loves ice cream, right? So match ice with the fifth one, that is cream. Okay, I hope that this is clear to you. Note. Let's start with book. Yes. Where are you writing your writing books? Where do you do your writing books? In the notebooks. So notebook is a book in which you write your lessons. So match it with the book. Okay. What's the next word? Window. Window. Book we have already used. Spoon. Window and spoon. No, it does not make sense. Window and pane. Yes. P-A-N-E. Pane. Window pane means જે તમારી ગ્લાસની જે વિન્ડો હોય છે, રાઈટ, જે બારી હોય છે, એમાં જે ગ્લાસ યુઝ થયો હોય છે એને વિન્ડો પેન કહેવાય. રાઈટ, જે ગ્લાસ યુઝ થયો છે એને વિન્ડો પેન કહેવાય. રાઈટ, સો this is window pane. So just match it with E with third number. Table, spoon. Right, on the table, the spoons which you have, with the help of the spoons you eat your lunch, dinner or breakfast. So those spoons are known as tablespoon. Spoon એટલે કે ચમચી. So match with this. Okay, let's revise it. Sun, we have glasses. Milk, we have shake. Ice, cream. Note, book. Window, pen. Table, spoon. So you learned these many different words with the help of vocabulary. Right, by matching both the columns you learn different meanings of them and you got a clear idea about what these words mean. Right, when you combine two words it makes a different meaning. Right, when you are splitting two words out of one word it makes a meaning, it makes sense. Right, you learn new words with the help of single word. Right, so this was the thing about vocabulary exercises.